2000. On behalf of the 1974 batch, I would like to thank the Academy for hosting us for our golden anniversary, for making wonderful arrangements and making our short stay here so pleasant and memorable, as was indeed our foundation course 50 years ago. We thank our coordinator at the start, Romeo, and then Akanksha, whom we have been pestering every day. Special thanks to the Academy for publishing our recollections and also the coffee table book, which together give permanent shape to our collective memories. All this would not have been possible without the many contributors for write-ups and the generous supply of photos, and Vivek Mehrotra for largely curating the book. And please give a big hand for that. There has been an enthusiastic response from colleagues and spouses, and the service coordinators and organizers deserve credit for this. From IPS, Gurjot Malli and Amod Khan; from IFS, Milan Sabharwal; from IRS, Mukesh Joshi; from Customs, GS Narang; and from the IAS, Atul Chaturvedi, Firoza Mehrotra, Vivek Mehrotra, Ujjwal Bhatia, and Dinesh Rai. We have tried to recall in the coffee table book how we came to Mussoorie in July 1974, a group of youngsters, mostly idealistic and enthusiastic. Perhaps youngsters is the wrong word, especially in today's context, because ours was the first batch to have age raised from 24 to 26. This and a larger intake also brought in sufficient exposure and maturity to blend with the youth, which one can say is perhaps the ideal combination for entry into the services. Together, we were a microcosm of India, representing its rich diversity in every way, and we also had a good gender balance. We enjoyed our training here as we transformed from students into officers, committed to public service, dedicated to the task of developing the nation, still in its infancy, working for the welfare of the people and learning to abide by the ideals of the Constitution. We left in a much more serious mood than when we came, burdened somewhat, but I think also inspired that the development of the country rested on our shoulders. Most of us worked hard and with dedication during our careers, and we believe we contributed substantially to the nation's development in various ways, although inevitably one feels perhaps we could have done more. I would like to tell you have mentioned about some of the colleagues of the batch that you have had experience with, but our batch has also been one of achievers. It has produced a serving union minister, 2 chairmen of UPSC, a chief information commissioner, cabinet secretary, foreign secretary, secretary to prime minister, many secretaries to the union government, chiefs of central police organizations, chairmen and members of tax boards, chief secretaries and DGPs of states, chief tax commissioners, etc. There are many who have written well-regarded books, and still several who contribute constructively to policy making and strategic thinking through talking in seminars, media debates, and writing thought-provoking articles. Many have distinguished themselves in international organizations like WTO, UNICEF, UNESCO, UNCTAD, UNFEM, etc. And 2 of our batch were awarded submission. I am sure I speak on behalf of the batch that we had great spirit and bonhomie, which have been amply demonstrated in the large presence here and the enthusiastic participation. We all felt a special bond then, during our careers and since. This get-together has only served to strengthen it further. Sardar Patel had said there is no service without esprit de corps. And I think our badge has displayed it in ample measure. Thank you, Academy, for providing us an opportunity to meet again after so many years in such beautiful surroundings, to share our memories of time spent together, to remember our colleagues who are no longer with us, to give our spouses a peek into the life we lived here, and for all of us to go back to spend the evenings of our life refreshed and invigorated. Thank you very much.